what's up guys? We are back with another video. In today's video, we are cleaning motocross goggles, dirt bike goggles. We're going to clean these bad boys. Because whenever I ride, I crashed yesterday because it was blurry and it was bad. My rib hurts, so I don't know if I'm riding today, but yeah. So no dirt bike video today, so it's going to be this. So what you want to do, get your goggles. You want to get the Windex or Spick and Span. I think they're the same thing. So, yeah. Windex is better, but Spick and Span is the same thing. Then you want to get the cloths that you clean cars with, because it won't scratch the goggles and all that. I think it's carbon fiber. I don't know. But what you want to do is just spray it a little bit on there. I just sprayed one thing of it on there, and then you just want to clean. Okay, I'm going to let the time lapse begin. So I just finished the outside. They're looking pretty good, but the inside is blurry too. So you don't want to spray it in there because you don't want to get on this stuff. So this should be a little damp, but it's not that damp. So I'm going to put it far away and just spray it like that. Don't want to get too much on there. Okay, guys, let's do it. These are both mixing. I put them better. Take care of my hair, guys. I'm doing the right side now. Just like get off for the first day. I'm not gonna take it down. I really recommend. I really recommend not using Spick and Span. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, I recommend using the other type rather than Spick and Span. Yeah, this is how you clean some dirt bike goggle. You know, you can crash because your goggles are blurry, dirt all over them. It's bad. Alright guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Shout out to Spick and Span. Shout out to the car cleaning stuff when you wash your car and you want to dry it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. And shout out to Lachlan, Elijah, Jason. I'm not going to put their channel links in the description because they didn't comment on my other video. Oh yeah, and shout out to Jacob. Yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Let's hit 5 likes on YouTube.